These 3 legitimate apps are some of the fastest paying options that can easily earn you over $150 a month with minimal effort in Africa. Don't forget to like this video and let's dive into the first app on our list. Sagapol. This is the African survey app that gives you a voice. You can make money online from home or anywhere by answering a few questions. So how does this app work? Sagapol connects you with a wide range of companies and organizations that are active across the African continent and looking for your views and opinions. As you know, a lot of survey apps don't have surveys every single time for African people because most of the companies that are providing money to those apps are foreign companies. But Sagapol works with a wide range of companies and organizations that are active across the African continent, so that means surveys will be available. All you have to do is give your honest opinions and views to help them develop new products and services or to improve the existing ones. The app is available on Google Play Store. Simply create your account. It is totally free. Fill in your profile in order to receive surveys, answer the surveys and earn points. You can also share your referral code with friends and both of you can earn extra points. Then you can redeem your points and make money from home. Sagapol is available in every single country in Africa and you must be based in Africa to receive these topics and discussions that you need to survey on. So you will receive your survey notifications and have access to them instantly. Once you access the surveys, all you have to do is share your opinion and then exchange your points for money. The next app on the list is GrabPoints. The app is available to everyone worldwide and it is on Google Play Store. On this app, you can earn free cash or gift cards by watching videos, taking surveys, or completing other offers. So this is how GrabPoints works. You're going to convert your time into cash or gift cards. All you have to do is sign up and create an account. Then you need to earn points by answering surveys, watching videos, downloading apps, or even playing games. Then you can choose whether you want to cash out or exchange your points for a gift card. They have multiple surveys available on the app and each survey will take you between 15 minutes to 20 minutes. So let's say you choose the first survey that will take you 20 minutes long. You will earn around 1,216 points and it is around $1.22. The 15-minute long survey will make you around $0.99 and the same goes for the other surveys. So this app has a lot of potential. Every other day you could be making anywhere between $5 to $10 just from surveys. As you can see, they have other multiple offers, for example downloading apps, and that could make you anywhere between $1 to $3. They pay out through PayPal and it takes between 1 to 2 business days excluding holidays and weekends to cash out. Once the first 1 and 2 rewards are sent, each thereafter is sent within minutes. The more you cash out, the faster the process becomes. So go ahead and make sure you download GrabPoints. The third and the final app of this video is Toloka. On Toloka, you're going to get paid to do short tasks online. You can earn money wherever and whenever you want. All you need is a device connected to the internet. The app is available freely on Google Play Store and anyone can download it. After you sign up, you're going to complete a quick training set to learn how to do particular type of task. Then you're going to pick the task that you want to do on your computer or your mobile phone, carefully read the instructions and complete the assignment. They also claim to have a very fast withdrawal process and they will provide a referral bonus if you share your link with your friends. Down here they have the multiple tasks that are available on Toloka. You can make money by searching for information. You can make money by taking photos. You can make money by just rating search results. You can make money by doing moderation, which means making sure comments and images are appropriate. You can also make money by transcribing audio files. You can make money by categorizing content, taking surveys, or simply comparing images. So basically these tasks are very easy to do and you're going to get paid for them once you complete them. So check them out too. That was the last app for this video. If you want to know more about on how you can make money online, for example testing websites and apps, check this video on your screen. Before you leave this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the notifications bell, and do share it with your family and friends.